Have you ever wondered how your Sia suit is made? After our team finishes the final designs comes the next step, manufacturing. Besides our Ulix wetsuits, each Sia suit is made by hand in one of our 3 independently owned, family-run factories in Southern California, one of which we've been working with since Sia's inception. Manufacturing locally supports local businesses and keeps money in our economy. It enables us to build strong relationships with the people who work at our factories. This allows us to be present for the entire process so we can problem solve quickly. Your Sia suit is made to last, and every stitch matters, which is why we work with factories that specialize in swimwear. When the fabric is received at the factory, it is spread out on long tables so it can relax, which helps to avoid garment shrinkage. Once the fabric is relaxed, it can be cut and sewn. The seamstresses place pattern markers on top of the fabric, cutting out each piece before sewing it together by hand. Finally, the finished suits are folded, packed, and neatly boxed for their return to our warehouse. What matters most to Sia are the strong face-to-face relationships we have with our seamstresses. We see firsthand all the people who put care and love into making our suits, from stitch to surf.